it laid. It slayed my edges.
You can find dinner. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my.
For this hairstyle, I'll be using Baby Hair Edge Control by CELI'S Secret, and also I'll be applying coconut oil to my rubber bands to avoid hair breakage. To start this hairstyle, you want to part your hair at an angle, like a semicircle. I'll be pulling my hair back to get it out of the way. And then a middle part. This is the first section. I already moisturized my hair, so now I'll be applying the edge control to my hair. This edge control goes on so smooth, it gets the job done. So for this hairstyle, I'll be doing 3 sections for each row. 2 rows, 3 sections. I'll be doing the same thing for the next row. I'm connecting the first right section to the second left section. Now the first left section to the second right section. Now the second right section to the third left section. And the second left section to the third right section. In case you guys were wondering, I'm on my balcony doing my hair, and it's raining, Florida. It was just sunny and now it's raining. Just look at the work of this edge controller. It is so smooth. I cannot stress that enough, how smooth it makes my hair. Now I'm brushing my hair together to make a ponytail. So I won't be making one of those perfect buns. I'm just doing a messy bun. I'll be using bobby pins to pin around the bun. So it's that time to lay and slay my edges, my favorite part. To spice up your high bun, you can use the gold clips. That's what I'll be using. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like this hairstyle. I'll be giving you guys my honest review about CELI'S secret hair products at the end of this video. Hey guys, so as you saw in the previous clips of the edge control that I used in my hair, it's called Baby Hair Stronghold and Smooth Sleek Edges. This thing right here laid my hair better than the gel. It doesn't make the hair hard. You know how some edge control makes the hair hard? It's not hard, but it's hard enough to do the job. And it smells so good. I love the smell. It smells so good. I received this package from CELI'S Secret. The edge control came inside. I also got this Miracle Hands. It's a scalp treatment. And how cute is this container? It's glass. So the scalp treatment has a lot of oils mixed together. It has castor oil, coconut oil, peppermint oil, bamboo oil, mangongo oil, olive oil, argan oil, tea tree oil, vitamin E, biotin, mannoit, herbs, and aloe vera. So I'm gonna make another video just to show you guys how I use this one. It's just to oil the scalp for hair growth. Good products, good products. And also in the package you'll receive, how cute, it's a bracelet. Also a thank you card. This is the bag the bracelet came inside of. How cute is this bag? How cute. CELI girl, you did a good job. The edge control doesn't make your hair hard, but it's hard enough to do the job. It smells so good. It holds the hair for days. No flakiness, no dryness. It's just smooth hold, very smooth. I love it. Even the back of my hair, the nape is short, so sometimes when I use the gel it will frizz, but this edge control right here, it holds everything. Alright, so I'm gonna leave the link for both hair products down in the description so you guys can go ahead and support CELI'S Secret. So thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.